to your goals. What are your goals? And then after you identify that, what steps do you need to take to get there? You know? And so you're going to have to take a step one way or another to accomplish that. So you're going to have to, and then talk to someone. Talk to someone. You know, it could be a parent, it could be a best friend, it could be someone that's already taken the same steps, you know, to give you the encouragement you need. You know.
I know a big theme here at PTTI is like lifetime support. Even after students graduate, they may like come and say like, hey, I'm doing really good in my career, but like I think I need help with this. And the instructors will come boom with them, so like they'll perfect it. I'm kind of curious how student services kind of like works with students after graduation. Like what kind of issues they may run into that student services can assist with.
Well, as you said, there is lifetime support refreshers for students to come in whenever they want. And we're also available too. Again, we are someone to help you balance and adapt to life issues, you know. So if you're coming in, and everybody that has come back for refreshers have also come back in our office and said, hey, how you doing? This is what's going on, you know, blah, 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 you know. I'm back with my wife, you know, I had a baby, you know. So we're there too, you know, for whatever issues they may have they still want to talk about, you know. Matter of fact, I had someone today this is their last day today, and they came back in and said, hey, I need a transfer. I said, you start a new job next week. Oh, well, I want to come back and say hi to you guys. I have like 6 people's names on the list. I want to come back and just say hi. I want to see you guys, you know. I want to make sure you're okay. I want to let you know what I'm doing. I was like, oh, that's nice. I don't know if you're going to get transfers for that. But guess what? That's how they feel about us, you know. They want to come back. They want to share their life with us, what's going on, you know. So, answer that.
I think so, absolutely. And I want to wrap things up now. This has been awesome. This has been just a really good conversation.
Okay.
You know, is there any like sort of last thing, you know, either as a representative of the student services, you know, or the, you know, the manager of student services, or just as an individual to the PTTI community, is there anything else that you want to say, maybe?
I guess, you know, the PTTI community, we work as a team, all of us, you know. And if one of our students is hurting, we all are hurting, you know. And I just like to throw out there that we can help you, you know. I know years ago I was struggling with something and I went to see a person about it, and you know, and I was so overwhelmed with what was going on in my life. But all I remember was, we can help you. And it just built me up. I said, you can? Even with all this? We can help you.
Have there ever been instances where someone with a physical or mental disability came in and they graduated and got a job?
Yes, yes, yes. Matter of fact, we were talking, I think it was a couple months ago. I'm not going to say the person's name, but we were saying she was a central processing student. And when I tell you, she used to come in my office every day. Something's wrong with the kids. She couldn't get to school, and she just couldn't understand. She, you know, claimed to be slow at, you know, processing the information that she was taught. And then on a manager's call, we hear that she got an externship at a hospital. And then we hear they hired her full time. And I think one of the managers was saying, wow. And I was like, I don't know if you're saying wow because that's a good thing for central processing, or are you saying wow because you know that student? Because that's why I'm saying wow. Because that student had so many challenges, you know, mentally, physically, you know. And here, they're hired and have a job. That's why we can never, ever judge a book by its cover, because you just don't know. So we have to treat everybody the same way, you know? You know, we have to kind of see them finishing the course, not what they're going through, you know? So we got to see their end first, and then we can take the steps to get them there.